This is my North American Arms little 22 long rifle revolver. Comes in 5-shot. Now to take the cylinder out, you have to push this. And it just falls right out. See, 5 shots. Now to carry this thing, you have to seat the hammer in one of the smaller notches. Now this one right here would be the round. This littler one right here, closer to the hammer, is where you want to seat it. But in order to do that, you gotta pull the hammer all the way back till it's able to spin. Then once you line that up, you have to actually pull the trigger. Then it falls in. That's safe to carry. Just the thing that makes this so dangerous is if you have a live round in there and you're not paying attention and you let that hammer fall, obviously the round will go off. So you want to be very careful you have it in the right notch. I got it with the deer antler handle. Wasn't my first choice, but that's all they had available, so went ahead and picked it up. And then got this little carry holster, pocket clip. I picked it up for $2.99, which I think I looked on their site and it was like $2.20 or so. So I thought I overpaid a little bit, but when I was looking on the site, I saw the deer antler handles just for $80 by themselves. So, not too bad. Not a bad little gun. Obviously, shooting it's a little more difficult than a full-size gun. Because when you're holding this thing, there's just nothing to grab onto. But I found when you're holding it, so you have it gripped, instead of moving your grip if you're right-handed to pull a hammer each time, it's easier to use your left hand, click it, and keep that grip with your right hand. So, North American Arms 22 long rifle revolver, there it is.